Welcome back, viewers. In a previous episodes we discussed already about the if else statements, simple if statements, else if ladder. Now we discuss about the category of nested if. In a nested if statement, every statement is inside if another statement is called nested. If we using if inside the another if, then it is called nested. If we are using if inside the another else statement, that is also called a nested. Here we can demonstrate with the help of an example, greatest among the three numbers. We have to declare the three variables and assigning the value, some value to this. The value is 100 assigned to the variable A, a value of 2000 assigned to variable B, and 445 assigned to variable of C. Then we write the statement if A greater than B, then if this condition is true, we have to compare A is greater than C. If this condition true, the compiler goes inside the block of if statement, and again we check another condition, A is greater than C. If this condition is true, then this will be printed, this will print A is greater. Otherwise, if this condition is being true or false, the statement C is greater is running. If another is condition is B greater than A, if it is true, then we have to check B greater than C. If B is greater, so inside if we have to print B is greater. If this condition is being false, then the opposite statement is written here. If two condition is already tested, the third one condition is not to be required to be tested, then we have write this inside the else. Then run. The output is B is greater, that is also is correct output. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you for watching.